Ladies and gentlemen, this is chaos in the ring, living through to the building. We do have a decision, and due to the fact that Portable abandoned the ring after the first round, we have a winner, Mr. Algorithm.
Okocha, aka I'm the shine. Your money's my money, your bank account is my bank account. Now listen, everybody, let me take you from Nigeria to California.
You did it.
Sure, to God be the glory. I just want to thank God for everything. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, shout out to God Almighty for us. And I just want to say shout out to all my team Authority, worldwide way. Shout out to my coach international, Don Charles in London. I know you're watching me right now, you know what I'm saying? I know you're proud of me. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my coach right here, Femi, my coach here in Nigeria. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to Sonny, my brother that came through the sport. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Bet Nigeria, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you get my one with the best. Bet Nigeria, you're the best. The best betting company in the whole world.
Charles, what on earth happened in that fight? It looked like there was a takedown, and then you were grappling, and then he left, and then he came back. What went on there?
Okay, the truth of the matter is I trained internationally and mine was professional. So what actually happened right here is not what I'm expecting. I don't wear boxing. But he came up with another tactics and it was always that video type shit. You know what I'm saying? Well, yeah, once we won, you know, we're here, and it's all.
Dr. Easy, I mean, you've been promising us chaos all week. That was complete and utter carnage.
Complete chaos. I mean, it's disappointing for them to have to step out the ring and bring it in. Completely unacceptable. I mean, we wanted a clean fight. We go again.
So what happens next? I mean, Portable, he came back. He didn't seem happy. Maybe he wants to fight Charles Okocha again. I don't know. Do we see a third?
Well, right now, I can't really promise we'll do a third fight with Charles Okocha and Portable. But I mean, congratulations to you, Charles. You worked really hard, and I think you deserve this win. Absolutely. Congratulations, sir.
Yeah, Ezekiel, you're the blueprint. Keep doing what you're doing. When it comes to boxing, this man right here, that's really awesome. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you. Blessings.
Charles, will we see you in a boxing ring again? You've given us entertainment tonight.
Yeah, sure. So I actually had more things I was supposed to do. But you know, you saw what happened right here is chaos, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, maybe my next fight, trust me, it's gonna be amazing on some type of shit, right? Alright, yeah.
You know, last time we were here, we saw Carter F.A. He looks like a good match for you. What do you think?
What do you say?
Carter F.A. Is that a fight you're interested in?
Yeah, Carter F.A. Yeah, I'm not running from anybody. If Carter comes, yeah, it's all good. You know what I'm saying? Let's dig into it. Let's get it. I ain't scared of none of them. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Let's get it. Carter F.A. Anybody come through? Let's get it. You know how I do. You know how I do. You know how I do.
We know how you do. Easy, you know how he does as well. The future is bright. Charles Okocha.
Well, absolutely, Charles. So we'll have a conversation about who you want to fight next. I mean, there's a rematch. There's a fight with Carter F.A. as well too. There's a few options we'll go as well too. He trained well. Thank you to Moses Atama. Thank you to Daniel Dubois. Thank you to Bet Niger. Thank you to GIG Logistics. Thank you to Fearless Energy. Thank you to GMH. Thank you to The Zone. Thank you to Hennessy. Thank you to all our sponsors. Thank you to EV Motor Vehicle. EV Automobile. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much for signing as well.
Thank you. Final word to yourself.
And Lagos State Government, let me just get this microphone, sorry. So, a special shout out to all our sponsors. Without you, this wouldn't be possible. Big shout out to The Zone, the Global Home of Boxing. Thank you for putting Africa on the map. Thank you for showing up for Africa. Thank you, and I promise the next one is going to get better. I keep saying it's not about perfection, it's about momentum, and we keep building back to back. The next one is going to be crazier. I think the next one will go a female celebrity fight, October 1st. So watch out for that female celebrity fight. And then we'll go a lot more big shows on the fight. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Charles Okocha. Thank you, Dr. Izzy. Thank you. Well, come on, Charles Okocha, you are the winner. You asked me if you can say one more thing. Go on.
Yeah, one more thing. I just want to say shout out to Moses Atama, for training me in London, Daniel Dubois. I just want to say shout out to you. Thank you, Don Charles. I see you. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you and thank you.
Brilliant stuff. Congratulations. Back to you.
Another fight for the night. Eden West, Mr. Real, is about to get real. One more fight for the night. Eden West versus Mr. Real. So y'all, sit down, get ready to be entertained. Eden West, Mr. Real, one more fight for the night. It's chaos in the ring, brought to you by Barbara Promotions. Edo West. One more fight for the night. And that's a real beef, though. That's a real beef right there. It's a real beef right there. Mr. Real Edo West. So ladies and gentlemen, I need y'all to sit down, relax. If you're drinking, drink up. If you're sipping, sip up. If you're sitting, sit up. If you're standing, stand up. Whatever you're doing, be up. 5, 2, 6. Get down, go. 1, 2. Yo. So, please relax. We have one more fight for the night. Mr. Real versus Edo West. And just in case you